This is my 1993 Nissan 240SX. This is the RB25 out of a ECR R33 Skyline, and it has a custom exhaust manifold setup. I'll link the video in the description and up in the corner. It's got a precision 6266 with a factory 5-speed from the Skyline. Got 180SX seats, and I'll link some videos of this driving from a couple years back. I am excited to get it back on the road and start enjoying the car again, because for the last year it's been a pretty expensive paperweight. All right, we're gonna get the fittings off and start draining the tank. I'm sure this gas is going to be absolutely terrible, but oh yeah, I can smell it already. Oh yeah, it smells pretty bad. Okay, so we need a gas can, and we'll start pumping it out. That is not a good sign that there's no fuel in this line. Oh, it's in there. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, cool. Yeah, found it. One of the idler bearings was bad. The timing belt was almost worn away completely. I think it had like a 1/4 inch left of the belt. I'll link that video so you can see how close this motor was to self-destructing. Always check your timing belts. It's good practice to do that. Just got a little jumper. I bet the key has to be on though. She's flowing. Smells very bad. While we wait for that to drain, we'll pop the wheels off this thing and start swapping on the old black ones. So these wheels came with the car, and then I lowered it, and the fitment is just horrendous. I just filled up the master cylinder with brake fluid, and there's actually a pretty solid pedal. The last time I drove this caliper, or at least this corner, was leaking brake fluid, and I just held my foot on it probably for about 5 minutes, pumped it, and I don't have any fluid coming out. So I'm gonna stick the wheels on it, get it on the ground, and then go run and grab some E85 from Murphy's. It's actually like E50. Fire it up and see what the next step is. Probably injectors. Oh! I hope I don't have to clean the injectors. You know what this thing's missing? A courtesy flap. I don't know if you've ever seen on the old Z's, they have like a loincloth. It's like it comes out of the bottom of the cap. We're gonna prime the fuel system and see if there's any leaks at the two fittings I disconnected, and just fire it up. Oh my God. Let's put it on the ground while we wait for it to charge. Gosh, you're so close. All right, third time. Doesn't sound like much, but when she comes up on wastegate, she's a screamer, and it's actually running great. I think the injectors might be okay. Let it idle, warm up a little bit, check fluids, and then take it for a spin. It's running a little lean. I think I need to bring the idle up just a little bit. I still have to fix this. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna drill some holes right here, but I don't know yet. New crack, the only crack. Gotta love it. Holy moly, that thing wants to go. Oh, shit. I forgot how fast this fucking thing is. Whoa. Whoa. Well, definitely needs a bigger tire. Jump the boost controller a little bit. Holy Moses, bud. Well, now the tires are warm, we should hit the two-step a little bit. Second gear, 25. Two steps, I think, at like 10 pounds, something like that. Let's see. Woo, those tires have no chance, dude. This is how you check if you're leaking. You just back up. And you don't see any puddles and you're good. Let it rip. I don't know if you can get a bigger tire under it. That'll be it for this video. Short, simple, and sweet. Just introducing new viewers to this car. No name for it. I've had this car for a long time and I've methodically painted it, stitch welded the chassis, got the motor rebuilt, put a nice turbo on it, built a custom manifold, which I'll link up top. I know I'm in different clothes and it's because it's the next day. Like I said, super busy, work full time. The little time that I do have, I try and make a video for you guys. But if you want to see any more of this car, just let me know. Drop a comment down below. And we'll get back on our fabrication on Yoshi. When I get back, I am actually taking a snowboarding trip. So I will be out of this state for a little while. When I get back, we'll get right back into Yoshi. And we're going to get right back into the drift car because we have Whiskey Garage Drift Series. So we've got to get everything ready for all of the events this year. Got to do new wiring. I've ordered a new micro PDM and a switch panel for all of the electronics in the race car, and we'll get more into that this coming week. But like I said, drop a like, leave a comment. If you want to see more of this car, let me know.